Hello guys, welcome ulit sa TowerPH TV. So another box break tayo, and actually as they say, it was so nice, you have to do it twice. So this will be my second box ng Panini Contenders Basketball 2021 Blaster box. The last time we got si Luka and si Nikola. Not really a good break even lang tayo, no. Good hit pero break even lang, but hopefully in this one mas makakuha tayo ng mas magagandang cards. We are expecting to find either one autograph or one memorabilia card, and yun nga, other cards na hinahanap natin, yung bronze ticket, game tickets, season tickets, rookie season, rookie variation season tickets, premium edition, and hopefully yung autograph or yung memorabilia na makuha natin mas maganda, and hopefully again more rookies. So huwag natin patagalin, medyo exciting ulit. Again, this has 5 packs and 8 cards per pack. So tingnan natin kung merong medyo makapal. Merong makapal, so I think we will not be having an autograph but rather a memorabilia card. So for our first pack, guys, so again, yung mga base cards natin: Rui Hachimura, Victor Oladipo, Al Horford, Draymond Green. So almost parang same lang nung mga nakuha natin nung last time: Valanciunas, Ben Simmons, and is the red card. Standard card pa rin. Oops, medyo kakaiba yung nasa likod. Hindi pala, baligtad lang. Ating international, si Goran Dragic. So medyo sablay yung unang pack natin. Nothing so exciting dun sa pack na yun, no? Wala pa tayong mga nakukuha, yung mga known names talaga na rookies like Zion. So another Nikola Jokic, Miles Bridges, Eric Gordon, PJ Washington, Kawhi, Buddy Hields, red game ticket, Rudy Gobert ng Utah, and yung ating rookie na base from Memphis, Desmond Bane. Nice rookie card, Desmond Bane. Ayan natin lagay sa sleeve. For our third pack, so medyo mabilis lang to, guys, kasi 5 packs lang siya. And so far mukhang medyo alat tayo. Carmelo Anthony, Paul George, Malcolm Brogdon, another Luka. Natin si Luka, Patty Mills, Kevin Love. Oops, international contenders siya nasa likod. Bradley Beal, and yun nga, Christopher Porzingis for our international base card, base ticket. Lucky card. Sana hindi naman tayo ma-disappoint, no? Meron sana tayo konting pambawi. said, medyo wala pa tayong nakukuhang special, no? Although meron na tayong red na international or red na game tsaka red na international, medyo hindi rin okay yung mga players. DeRozan, DeAndre Hunter, yun. Kahit pa paano meron tayong Lebron James, kahit base card. So mga Lebron fans out there, yan. Lebron, D'Angelo Russell, another Jamorant. Yun nga lang, base card. And Lonzo Ball, bronze. Kaso game ticket, Kemba Walker, bronze. And sa likod natin na rookie card yata to. Red rookie card from Miami Heat. Sino bang nasa Miami? Precious Achiuwa. So yun, that's it guys. Medyo pag di tayo nakakuha ng magandang memorabilia, this box is actually a miss. So for our last chance, medyo matamlay dahil malungkot yung card natin, no? Yung pack na to. Okay. LaMarcus Aldridge. So LaMarcus Aldridge unfortunately has to retire. So kanyang may condition yata. John Wall. Exciting ang Houston ngayon, no? Because Jalen Green tsaka yung isa pang rookie for Houston. Actually, Pil-Am rookie si Jalen Green. Second, then there's Joel Embiid, Anthony Davis, Jaren Jackson Jr. Ano ba yung atin? May isa pa. Trae Young. And for our memorabilia card, Onyeka Okongwu of Atlanta Hawks, and another napkin. Oops, may game night pa pala sa likod. So ating game night is TJ Warren. Yung ating rookie memorabilia, Onyeka Okongwu. So yan guys. Ayusin muna natin, then wrap up tayo. So here's what we got guys. Yung bronze na game ticket, Kemba Walker. International game ticket na red, Rudy Gobert. And red na international ticket, Goran Dragic. Game night na TJ Warren. Sa mga base cards naman na of course yung mga sa atin mga idols natin, Trae Young, Jamorant, Nikola Jokic, Kristaps Porzingis, and Luka Doncic, and yung dalawang Lakers, Lebron James and Anthony Davis. So parang dito sa lahat yung Lebron James lang and yung Luka Doncic na base card. And as for our rookies, Desmond Bane, although base card lang. Then we have Precious Achiuwa, And yung ating memorabilia na napkin, si Onyeka Okongwu. So that's it guys. Medyo miss yung box break natin ngayon, but hopefully we see some great games from Desmond Bain and Precious Ichiwa and si Onyeka Okongwu para medyo tumaas din yung value ng cards nila. So sa mga hindi po nakapag-subscribe pa, please do subscribe to our channel and please hit that notification bell para ma-notify po kayo pag meron pa tayong upcoming box breaks. So, if you like this video, please do like and share na din para lumaki pa ang ating Tower family. So again guys, maraming salamat po for joining me sa ating box break.